Here's how to fix Claude AI getting stuck on the verification code screen. This is almost always a browser, network, or session hiccup rather than an account problem. Start by refreshing the page with F5 or Ctrl-R and requesting a brand new verification code. Only enter the most recent code since older ones expire quickly, and type carefully to avoid extra spaces. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or vice versa if needed. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Reload the page and request a fresh code so the system sees your real location. If the page still hangs, try a different browser or open an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Clear your cache and cookies by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Delete, selecting cookies and cached files, then clearing the data and reopening your browser. Check your email inbox carefully, including spam and promotions folders for the verification message, and only use the most recent code received. Temporarily disable browser extensions like ad blockers, since they can block essential scripts the page needs. If nothing works, try a completely different device, like your phone, and request the code there instead. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.